Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to display data analysis tool in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so the data analysis tool is under the data tab. So click the data tab. For example, if you cannot see this data analysis or these tools for financial and scientific data analysis, you can display this one by simply clicking the file, click file, and then click options. And then click add-ins. Here at the bottom you can see Excel add-ins. So you click go and then check this analysis toolpack and analysis toolpack VBA and then click OK. So if you uncheck this one, this will disappear on the ribbon. Okay, so you click OK. So this time you can now see this data analysis tool in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so that's all how to display the data analysis tool in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching.